Hey guys, I'm getting a few error codes on this Canon PIXMA TS3522 series printer. First one is of course the E04. That means the ink cartridges are not installed into the printer, and I've gotten that before, even with the cartridges installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. This is how I know what it is. So it's gonna first have the E for error and then 04. So if you have E10, that's another error that I'm concerned about, where it's popping up for me once in a while. That's the sequence right there. So E04. Now I'm gonna put the cartridges back in. It's probably gonna be E05, meaning that one of the cartridges is bad. And then I also got the hardware failure, which is P as in Paul, 10. So I'm going to go ahead and install the cartridges. The black one goes on the right, and you can see it's an aftermarket one, and it's kind of like the chip area is kind of damaged, so maybe that's why it's giving me the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and install, and I assume it's the right one. It doesn't give me which side actually. So you can see it's trying to do something there, and now it's giving me the E05, and both of the ink cartridges are flashing. If I remove one of the ink cartridges, it's going back to E04, and it doesn't show me which cartridge is there or not. And then another error is, like I said, it's P10, and that's going to be a hardware failure. So, but in that case, what you need to just gonna do is unplug the printer, open this cover, and you will see that your cartridge, this cartridge ink carrier, is going to be stuck on the right. What you'll need to do is just very slowly push it back, and you would be able to do that with that P10 error. It's not going to be locked on the right side. You're going to push it to the left, just remove the cartridges and try to restart the printer, and that'll get rid of your hardware failure problem. But you will need to replace one or the or both of the cartridges that are giving you that problem. So if you keep on trying to do that, it may cause like a surge and can fry your main board possibly. So I do not recommend doing that. So try to troubleshoot it this way. Hopefully it works for you. If it does, please comment in the section below. If you have something else, please also share that with us. And if it did help, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day. Thank you.